So as a beginner trader, it can be really difficult to know which stock to buy and more importantly, when to act. So here are a few items from my current watch list and I'll show you exactly what I'm looking for. So first off, we have Tesla. So the main thing I'm looking for here is price action. Here you can see that we're consistently making higher lows. This would be like being at an auction if people were consistently bidding higher and higher. And if we look at the volume profile, we can see that we're below the point of control, which is the widest portion of the volume profile. Since this is where the most volume was traded, we can infer that the greatest number of traders thought that this was a fair price. And since we're buying below it, we know that we're probably getting a pretty good deal. That would be like if the going rate for a cheeseburger is $5, we're getting it for $4.25. And much like Tesla, we have XLY, which is a consumer discretionary based ETF. An ETF is basically a bunch of stocks that are mixed together that all trade under one ticker. And they help defer risk because they're not going to drop a lot if a single company does poorly. Again, notice the higher lows and also increasing volume. Think of volume like the level of energy. If prices are rising on weak energy, that doesn't really bode well for continuation. And last we have XLV, which is a healthcare-based ETF. And on the daily chart, we can see that it's putting in what we call a weak high. That's when we have a key level of resistance that's been hit multiple times but hasn't broken. And I know a lot of beginner traders will often think that, oh, this level's been hit a lot of times but hasn't broken, it must be really strong. It's actually the exact opposite, because the more times that level has been hit, the more it's starting to look like the accepted price and therefore is more likely to break. Happy trading!